Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. This time I will present you the curvy road that links let's say Brașov to Predeal, Timișul de Sus, actually the upper Timiș to Predeal, but basically it's quite the same thing. When you go from Brașov to Predeal, you will pass through this beautiful mountain road, but also tricky in some parts, even dangerous if you drive fast. It's really easy to get thrown out of the street, the road. We have this traffic just because there is a bus in front of us, but I don't mind. This is the, let's say, the regular speed for this section of the road. There's a bus, but once we will pass it, I think we'll advance at a higher speed. But still, here it's not a place where you would want to, you know, go fast, because it is such a beautiful sight. It's no point in rushing it. And again, you're just burning gas. All of these drivers will be right in front of me really soon. This is one of the most dangerous curves right here. The water, I have a water canister there, and it bounced from left to right, but it's all good. Admit, this guy with his bus really floors it. And now we enter Predeal. From here on, just like most of the mountain resorts, the road will be mostly in a straight line. And the traffic is really chill in that direction towards Bucharest, but on the other way around you can see how most of these persons, these drivers are not from around here, so they are tourists that will come to the mountainside for this beginning of spring break.
Viteză redusă înainte. Let's use the sun shades as well. It's a lot better. And in front we have the exit of Predeal, and up next will be Azuga. But we see now the police is on point. Here is where they usually stay to supervise the traffic, and unfortunately a Renault Zoe was already pulled over. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May you drive on many beautiful mountain roads, and I will see you in the next mountain resort in Azuga. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.